Good morning, students. Today's our topic is addition of fraction. That is how we can add the given fraction. So first of all, we will recap what is a fraction. Students, as I had told you in previous lecture, fraction is a part of something. For example, I am taking here a triangle and I am dividing into 4 equal parts and I am shading only one of its part. So this is a fraction. Now, how I can write this fraction? I can write like this 1 by 4. Now, why I am writing 1 by 4? Because I have divided the given figure into 4 equal parts and I am shading only one of its part. So, I am writing here 1 by 4. The upper number 1 indicates the number of shaded part and it called numerator, and the lower number indicates the total number of parts in which we are dividing a thing and it called denominator. So on the basis of these numerator and denominator we can write fractions. Now, how many types of fraction? Before adding fractions, we must know there are main two types of fraction, that is like fraction and unlike fractions. So there are different method to add these two types of fraction. There is different method to add like fraction and unlike fraction. So today we will discuss about what like and unlike fractions and how we can add these fractions. First of all, what is a like fraction? Like fractions are fractions with same denominator. For example, I am writing here 4 numbers, that is 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 4 by 3 and 6 by 3. Now you can see clearly in these 4 fractions I am writing the same denominator. So this is example 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 3. These all are example of like fractions. Why? Because they have same denominator. So fraction with same denominator are called like fractions. Numerator may be different but denominator should be same. So these are called like fraction. Now, what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominator. For example, I am writing here 4 fractions, that is 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 4 by 6 and 3 by 7. These all are example of unlike fractions. Why? Because they have different denominator. So fractions with different denominator are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now we will add like fraction. Today's our topic is how we can add like fractions. Today we'll discuss only like fractions. Okay. I am explaining you with the help of example. Students, as you know, in like fractions we will write same denominator. So these 3 are examples of like fraction: 3 by 7, 1 by 7 and 4 by 7. You can see here the denominator is same and numerators are different. Now, how we can add these 3 fractions? First of all, in fraction we know there are always 2 numbers, one in numerator and one in denominator. So how we can add this fraction? In numerator we will add the given numerator. Here you can see there are 3 numerators of given fraction: 3, 1 and 4. So in numerator we will add these 3 numerator, and in denominator we will write the same denominator. Now here you can see all denominators are same, that is 7. So we will write here 7. We will not add these 3 denominator, we will write only 7, the given denominator, but we will add the numerators because numerators are different. We will add only numerators. We will not add these 7 number. We will only write here 7. Clear? So answer will become 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 you can count on your fingers, 4 plus 4 8, that is 8 by 7. So answer will be 8 by 7. Denominator will always be same as the given denominator. Okay. Now I am taking another example. For example, I am writing here number 2 by 5 plus, first of all I am adding only two fractions. Okay. 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 so that it is easier to you. Okay. Now you can see. Again, I want to write a fraction, so there will be two numbers, one in numerator and denominator. In numerator, what we will do? We will add the given numerator, 2 plus 1. Okay. Now, in denominator, you can see both denominators are same, so we will write here the same denominator, that is 5. Now, what will be answer? 2 plus 1, 3. So, 3 by 5 is the right answer. You can see in answer when we will add the given fraction, the denominator is always same. Okay, but numerator will be different. Clear? Now I am taking another example and I am writing here now 3 numbers. 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay. Now the procedure will be same. Okay. Now again I will write two numbers, one in numerator and one in denominator. So in numerator, how I will write? I will add the given numerators, and in denominator I will write the same denominator. Now what will be answer? 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 7 divided by 5. So answer is 7 by 5. In this way we can add all fraction, whether it may be 3 fractions, 4 fractions, 5 fractions. Okay. Now I am taking 4 fractions. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now try yourself. What will be answer? Again we will get two numbers, one in numerator and one in denominator. In numerator I will add all these numerators. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, and denominators are same, so I will write the same denominator. Now what will be answer? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So answer will become 6 by 3. In this way you can add all fractions, whether it may be 2 fraction, it may be 3 fractions, it may be 4 fraction. The procedure is same for all types of fraction. So it was all about how we can add like fractions. Thank you.